Hello, and we're here at SLA Equipment today to look at this Husqvarna V548. Starting off looking at the mower. Take a look at the cutting deck. Now, the cutting deck is 7 gauge. It is 48 inches. We'll have our front wheels. They are 13 by 6.5 by 6. We've got a Kawasaki FX751V. This mower does have a 7-gallon fuel capacity. Forward speed is up to 11 miles an hour. Reverse is up to 6 miles an hour. We'll have the rear tires. The rear tires are 22 by 9.5 by 12s. It's a 4-bolt pattern. On the mower, as we can see here, we've got our Husqvarna pad that you can lean up against while you're using the machine, just to make it comfier. As it is a stand-on, it's got its stand-on platform. If the back end is going to go over any elevations while you're on it, it does come with wheels. That way it can move. Keep the back end from bottoming out. We'll take a look at the control panel. On the control panel, we'll have a variety of things on here. You'll have your throttle control, your choke, you can see your fuel levels, your hour meter, your key. Now you'll have the ignition, you also have the accessory, and then this is the PTO engagement. So you pull it up to engage the PTO, push it back down. You'll have the throttle levers. This model is equipped with a parking brake, so our parking brake is right here. This mower does have multi-deck adjustments, so as you can see, we have anything between 1.5 and 5 inches. There is also a cup holder. There is a rubber discharge chute, and then with a bracket, if you pull up on it, it'll stay in place. And same thing, when you push back down on it, you'll have where you can lock it in place as well, which is nice if you got anywhere that you got anything that you're trying to go around that might be tight. Now the battery on the mower is located behind the cushion, so once that's pulled down, you'll be able to see the battery. There is a bracket that's on there as well. You just unscrew the bolt that's on there. That way you can maintenance and access the battery. We've already looked over the fuel, which is on the driver's side of the mower. It'll have a fuel cap. Now it is for unleaded fuel only. If you have any additional questions on this mower, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day.